Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Well, today I'm going to read a story about a mermaid, but it's a sort of young mermaid. You can see, here she is, 10 minutes to bed, little mermaid, and I don't think she's very sleepy. The story's written by Rhiannon Fielding and the pictures are by Chris Chatterton. Let's look inside. Well, that looks like a treasure chest. And look, here's the land of Nod, where when you're asleep, where you can go and visit snowy peaks, Giant's Town, lots of different places. But this is 10 minutes to bed, Little Mermaid. Deep below the ocean waves, among the wild sea flowers, a palace stood with shells for walls and shining pearls for towers. Oh, that looks very special. In the kingdom of the Merpeople, mer children whizzed around. With 10 minutes to bedtime, though, someone could not be found. I wonder who. Splash, I think that's her name, Splash was with the dolphins. They were diving, playing, leaping. 9 minutes to bed came her grandpa's call. Splash did not feel like sleeping. She wished she wasn't quite so small. She wanted to be brave. So with 8 minutes to bedtime, Splash dived deep beneath a wave. The soft and sandy ocean floor was bumping with a beat. 7 minutes, called the crabs as they clacked their claws and feet. Through the water swiftly swam a shoal of rainbow fish. 6 minutes to bed, they said as one. Come with us if you wish. As Splash's little tail grew tired, the fish all swam away. 5 minutes, croaked a turtle as they bobbed around the bay. Suddenly, a shadow slunk across the ocean floor. You see, there it is. 4 minutes to bed, and up Splash leapt. The shark opened its jaw. But with a plop, Splash landed on a golden island beach. 3 minutes, laughed a passing whale. Hop on if you can reach. Zooming through the ocean as the spray fell down in showers. With 2 minutes to bedtime, Splash could see the palace towers. Thank you, said the mermaid as she kissed her whale friend's head. 1 minute, called her grandpa's voice. Then Splash swam into bed. This daring little mermaid has a secret now to keep. Adventure is all very well, but mermaids need their sleep. And here's the land of Nod at night time when it's dark. And here are some other super stories about unicorns, monsters, and mermaids. There's the back cover with the mermaid and her crabby friends. And here is the front and back cover. And there's the front. 10 minutes to bed, Little Mermaid. I hope you enjoyed that story. See you again soon. Goodbye.